So next up, guys, got a real good truck here. So this is a 2015 Kenworth T880 Sleeper Truck. Low mild, only 485,000 miles, guys. And the cool part about this truck is it's just got a fully rebuilt motor. I think less than 15,000 miles ago. It's actually right around 12,000 miles or so. It'll come with that paperwork. It's got a Paccar MX-13 diesel motor, Eaton 18-speed manual transmission. Pretty standard, like interior, your heat, AC, power windows, power locks, those things. Air ride suspension. I just put 4 new tires on it, guys, so the rear rubber is real new. Rubber all around, it looks to be pretty dang good. All aluminum rims. She fires right up, runs good. Truck that's been in use and ready to continue to be used. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there. Nice red color, guys. You can see you get out in the sun, it's nice and shiny. Garrett doesn't drive a lot of these trucks, so bear with him if he's a little slow on getting her going. We'll just do a kind of a basic demo, kind of take her forward and reverse. But like I said, this truck's been on the road, it's been getting used. Fully rebuilt motor, everything's real good that way. It does have full lockers. Air ride suspension. Good cab, nice little bunks. So there's the quick demo. 2015 Kenworth T880. Go, guys, auction time at Old 20 Auctions.